How to verify Facebook account with blue tick. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the top right corner and then scroll and tap on the option of help and support. Here, tap on the help center. And as you tap on the help center, it will lead you to the Facebook help center page where you can tap on the search bar and search for how to get verified over here. So just tap on the search and it will give you different options. So here you can see there are different options. So you can just tap on request a verified badge on Facebook. So this is the option and you can get different options over here. So just scroll down and here you can see the option of verify your profile or page. So under that section, you can see the option of fill out this form option. So tap on fill out this form in order to verify your profile. So here you have to provide different information on what are you verifying. Either it's your page or your profile. So you have to enter your profile link. Then you have to confirm your authenticity by entering or providing your document type. It can be driver's license, passport, national ID, tax filing, recent utility bill, or articles of incorporation. Next, you have to confirm your notability by showing that the public figure, celebrity, or brand your page or profile represents is in the public interest. So you can select on the category and select whichever category best suits you. Then tap on the country or the region over here and you can select the audience over here as well. After that, you can add your links of your social media from your Twitter to your personal blog post and so on. After that, you can just tap on send, and when you tap on send, then the Facebook support team will contact you within 24 hours. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.